Threads versus Twitter, the Meta takeover, and the future of social media. The digital world of social media experienced a seismic shift when Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, unleashed its new app, Threads. Within the first 7 hours of its launch, Threads attracted a staggering 10 million users, sparking a wave of excitement, fascination, and apprehension across the social media landscape. As this game-changing platform vies to dethrone Twitter and carve its place in the mainstream, it raises pertinent questions about its potential for success and the implications it holds for users, content creators, and brands. Threads, an exciting new frontier. Threads' unprecedented ascent to popularity can be attributed to its perfect timing and strategic positioning. With Twitter facing criticism over excessive ads, bot accounts, and a divisive atmosphere, Threads presents itself as the antithesis. An ad-free, homely, and genuine platform. The allure of Threads lies in its ability to create a fresh haven where users feel a sense of belonging, prompting creators to flood the platform with compelling content. Meta's strategic approach, including launching Threads without ads and prioritizing user experience over monetization, has fueled excitement levels unlike any seen before. Incentives, such as automatic follower migration from Instagram and early adopter rankings, further drive user engagement and a fear of missing out, intensifying the rush to join. The potential rivalry with Twitter. Threads' potential to challenge Twitter's hegemony cannot be underestimated. Despite being a clear imitation, Threads may possess a higher growth ceiling, with its potential to draw from Instagram's vast user base. If Meta's track record of overwhelming competition through superior execution and iteration holds true, Threads might emerge as a formidable rival to Twitter. Twitter, on the other hand, must take Threads seriously and adapt its strategy to counter the threat. The competition between these two platforms has the potential to drive innovation and benefit users as they vie for their attention and loyalty. Content creation and influencer marketing. The surge of excitement among content creators stems from the platform's inherent user base built on Instagram followers. This instant relationship serves as a powerful incentive for creators to produce unique and engaging content. This heightened creativity and enthusiasm can lead to a richer content ecosystem on Threads, fostering an authentic and inclusive digital community. For brands and marketers, Threads' rapid user growth represents a promising market for influencer marketing. However, maintaining authenticity will be crucial, as an excessive influx of sponsored content could undermine the platform's organic appeal. Striking the right balance between sponsored and user-generated content will be essential for successful influencer marketing on Threads. Data privacy concerns. Among Threads' excitement, concerns over data privacy and Meta's track record of mishandling user data loom large. The platform's extensive data sharing agreements and non-compliance with EU regulations present potential risks for user privacy. Threads must prioritize data security, transparency, and responsible data usage to foster user trust, responsible engagement, and positive digital communities. As Threads potentially reshapes the social media landscape, cultivating responsible engagement and positive digital communities becomes imperative. Encouraging respectful discourse, curbing misinformation, and promoting online etiquette will be vital to create a safe and inclusive environment for users. Threads has the unique opportunity to set new standards for responsible social media engagement and become a model for other platforms. Conclusion: Threads, Meta's ambitious venture, has captured the world's attention, garnering millions of users in a few short hours. Its potential to rival Twitter's dominance and reshape the social media landscape is undeniable. Threads' allure lies in its user-centric approach, authentic content creation, and the promise of an ad-free experience. However, challenges surrounding data privacy, content balance, and feature gaps must be addressed for Threads to maintain its momentum and user trust. As the social media landscape evolves, Threads holds the potential to shape the future of social media and influence responsible digital engagement. The journey ahead for Threads and its impact on the social media sphere remains to be seen. Whether it becomes the catalyst for a positive digital revolution or faces hurdles in maintaining its authenticity, the world watches with bated breath to witness the next chapter in social media history. As the battle between Threads and Twitter unfolds, users, content creators, and brands will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of social media. It is not merely a contest between two platforms, but a reflection of users' evolving preferences and expectations from the digital world. In this new era of social media, responsibility, authenticity, and user centricity will be the guiding principles for platforms seeking long-term success. The journey is far from over, and the evolving landscape will continue to surprise and captivate users, creators, and marketers alike. As we anticipate the future, we must remember that social media is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Threads may be the current headline, but there will be many more contenders seeking their moment of fame. The true victor will be the platform that manages to balance innovation with user needs, fosters a positive and inclusive digital community, and stays true to its core values. In conclusion, the rise of Threads and its potential to challenge Twitter's dominance mark a critical turning point in the world of social media. Threads' meteoric growth and appeal to content creators present exciting possibilities for the platform's future. However, the challenges of maintaining user trust, addressing data privacy concerns, and nurturing a responsible digital community should not be underestimated. As users, creators, and brands navigate this changing landscape, we must remain vigilant, holding platforms accountable for their actions and encouraging positive digital engagement. The future of social media rests not solely on the shoulders of Threads or Twitter, but on the collective choices and actions of all participants in this dynamic ecosystem. By embracing responsible engagement and championing authenticity, we can shape a social media landscape that reflects the best of humanity, fostering connection, creativity, and positive impact. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are endless. Let us embrace this new era with optimism, curiosity, and a commitment to shaping the future we want to see.